We are proud to bring to the market this King Air 350 located in St. Joseph, Missouri. This aircraft is loaded with features both inside and out. It is equipped with the Garmin G1000 NXI avionics and satellite XM radio. In February 2019, both engines underwent a conversion to the Black Hawk XP67A with the MT5 bladed propellers, providing for even more superior air performance. The aircraft is currently undergoing Phase 1 through 4 inspections and will soon be ready for immediate delivery. The aircraft is configured with 8 cabin seats, an aft belted lavatory, and 2 removable jump seats, plus the pilot and co-pilot seat. With a 2019 interior refurbishment, it has beige soft goods, glossy Pacific cherry woodwork, and a carpet with earth tones with modern contemporary pattern. USB ports can be found at each seat location, and 115-volt outlets throughout the cabin. The lighting is fantastic, and everyone can appreciate the upgrade to the PWI Be Brilliant overhead wash lights. If you're in the market for a reliable King Air 350 with a stunning interior, this aircraft is for you. Call the experts at Omni Aircraft Sales, and we look forward to talking to you soon.